free information. Please, all of you who are into indigenous healing spaces, you do not conduct cleansing ceremonies during the rain season. Just use common sense. The rivers are full. It is not a time to be stepping into rivers. The rivers are cleansing themselves. Avoid going there. They will include you in the cleansing.
What is Ubungoma in your understanding?
Okay.
Where are we missing it? Because some of these Isangoma have spoken about the power of dreams, the power of getting visions, the power of listening, and where does that fit in?
Ngoma is a drum. Ngoma is a drum, which is made out of a dead tree and a dead ox or a cow. These two are put together. There's a hole at the center. And the present person must hit the skin of the past in the hollow tree of the past, which has been sitting on the ground. And the community can have a dance in the sound of that hole. So the first thing, Ngoma, simply means Ngoma. These are our mothers. We're back to Mother Nature again. Ngo dash ma Ngoma. Now when you come with Ubungoma, it is the art of accessing healing through the drum. Isangoma, Sangoma. It is the owner of the drum that does the healing. Ingoma is a student who is learning the art of healing. But at the center of it, Sangoma is the one who is able to heal through sound, being able to heal through music, being able to heal through quantum physics. I know your mind can take that, so I'll give you that. So even what we are doing right now, Ibungoma lok siyapula, because through the vibration of our voices and sounds, we're able to send healing to other people. So yes, and I said the other day, I'm a Sangoma, in a truest sense that I own a drum,
Yes.
but also I'm able to create music and heal others through my sound. But unfortunately, from the colonial educational system, as usual, the Witchcraft Act would use derogative words
Yes.
to Africans, that even now when you talk about Isangoma, the Christian cringes under their skin. Ooh.
Yeah.
Because all we are thinking about Isangoma are bones and sprinkling of things and slaughtering of chickens, putting people in waters. And by the way, free information. Please, all of you who are into indigenous healing spaces, you do not conduct cleansing ceremonies during the rain season. Just use common sense. The rivers are full. It is not a time to be stepping into rivers. The rivers are cleansing themselves. Avoid going there. They will include you in the cleansing. I read the story the other year. Last year, 24 people were swept away.
Baptized.
Baptizing for what? Stay away.
They drowned.
When a woman is washing herself, stay away from the river. She's cleansing herself.
That is powerful.
Nature is cleaning up all the rubbish that has been accumulating, pulling peppers and stuff we've been throwing on the road and allowing nature to clean. No, you jump in there. You become part of the rubbish. So it needs a bit of intelligence also. Please, 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 as an announcement, stay away from rivers and lakes. Avoid cleansing ceremonies during this season. It is not safe as a safety measure.